Yury, how did you get into this?
Into the breathwork?
Yeah.
So I was a student of yoga since I was 26 until I got the calling to really dive in deep when I was 39. I went to India to become a teacher. I was already into the Wim Hof method. My family got sick with the flu. And I didn't get sick, and I thought like I knew I boosted my immune system. I knew it was the Wim Hof method, so I decided to go all in. And I went to train with Wim. I had a back injury that I healed. I healed myself with the breath work, and I knew I had to share this.
What Alex has done out here, he just started breathing after these morning meditations with people. Alex, how many people are on Sunday now?
22.
22 people gathered in this house now.
Everybody have a different practice for meditation. The repetitive movement of cutting vegetable is a form of practice of meditation for me. It's just where do you put your intention in the present moment.
How many of you guys familiar with the Wim Hof method? We are going to dive deep into our energetic and spiritual being. 2/3 of the breath comes into the belly. Last third comes into the chest. Get out of your mind, and you will have an experience. Breath is consciousness. It's prana, chi, life force energy. And the exhalation, you can set the intention to let go. Maybe you want to let go of some physical pain. Maybe you want to let go of some emotional trauma.
Meditation is something I practice for a long time, but with breath work, it's game-changing. It's something I really need every day.
The breath starts in your belly. It moves to the chest. Exhale, let it go. Beautiful. I want you to feel the vibration of the drum. Breathwork is the most organic way to get in touch with your feelings, but it requires full attention, full focus, concentration to be present with your breath.
My brain is like somebody take a scalpel and open the back of my brain, and like take it out. I feel great. I love to do it. It's definitely the best things I learned in my life, and practicing it, bring it to another level each time. And also something is when we do it in group, it's more powerful than do it alone.
You guys were breathing together. You were in sync many moments.
I do breath work, but to be led is a beautiful thing because there is a level of control you let go of when you're being led, and then to be led through sound as well.
I think it was Your Breath was one more powerful, where it's just like, it was inspirational and it created camaraderie.
I graduated from a healing school, but I always resist my own healing. So I have to really go in and find that place in me. And the breath work is the doorway for me to go deeper.
We gotta first heal ourselves if we wanna heal others. It's like we gotta love ourselves if we wanna love others,
I feel like when you breathe in, like you inhale, you inspire spirit. But I feel like when you feel yourself in, it's like spirit takes care of whatever is in you that needs to be transformed.
This just makes me feel good. It makes me feel high.
There's no hangover.